Switch on the printer and go to the control panel. Select your language and click OK. On the next screen it says finish setup using Epson Smart Panel app. I think it's better to avoid the app and just simply click on the no button and go to the next page. So click OK on the no. Select OK to proceed. Now it is asking to install the correct ink cartridges. So click OK. Next thing is to install the ink and then come back to the screen again. To install the ink, we will open the ink cartridge chamber. So push it like this and open these seals. So there are 4 ink tanks we have to fill. Just fill them one by one. So take the ink, remove it from the plastic packaging. Simply open this cover and make sure you match the exact color and the alphabet according to the ink chamber. So we have to simply place it here and press it a little bit down. Instantly it will start filling up the ink tank. So we have to wait for the ink to go. Once your ink tank is full, you can take the ink bottle out and place the next ink bottle. So ink is completely gone through. So we can shake it a little bit and after a few seconds take it out. Now the bottle is empty. Go to the printer screen and click OK after you fill in the ink tanks. Click OK to start the ink alignment. Now click OK to start it and check the print quality. Next thing is to load the paper tray. So paper tray is at the rear. So simply pull this up, adjust the size, place the paper and confirm on the main screen. Click OK after installing paper. Now click on the print button. Now check this page if there are any missing lines. There are no missing lines, so select no and click OK. Print head alignment is complete. The initial setup of the printer is complete. Next thing is to do the Wi-Fi setup. Now on the main screen, look for the setting icon and click OK. Now scroll ahead and look for the network settings. Select Wi-Fi setup, Wi-Fi recommended. Click OK again. Click Wi-Fi setup wizard. It will show up the Wi-Fi network of your home or office. Select the Wi-Fi network. Now enter the password using this keypad and then click OK. So printer is connected to the Wi-Fi network. So you can see your printer has a green signal on the top or the blue signal. Printer is available online and now you can add this printer in any device for wireless printing and scanning. You can just add in your device like laptop, computer or iPhone. So this way we can do the initial setup of this printer. Thanks for watching.